Hi, hello. I'm Jason, or you can call me Junkie Man. Basically, this video is my first video. Okay, my first video. This video is all about snacks. Okay, personally, I love snacks. I love eating snacks. Okay, so as usual, my family have been nagging me about eating snacks. But don't worry, because my baldness doesn't come from snacking. Okay. However, today, my first sharing, it's all about snacking, and today's snacks are all, as you can see here, we will be having 10 snacks. It's all Korean snacks, alright? So I will be sharing with you this all 10 snacks on this Korean snacks, whether it's good, and it's all based on my personal preference, okay? So let's start with my first snack for tonight. Okay, so we will start with my first snack. Alright, snack this. It's called oikato. Sorry if I can't pronounce properly because I can't speak Korean, and it's written here oikato. You can see oikato. It's a cream and cheese flavor chips. Yeah. Alright, let's open it up and try now. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and let's try it out. It tastes quite good. The cheese, it's not too heavy. It's a bit sweet with some tomato taste, but the crunchiness is really good. You can hear. I think it goes well with a drink, a cold cocoa palm. It's a grape juice with aloe vera. Let's see what's inside. Satisfying. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, the aloe vera. Yeah, you can see there's some aloe vera. I think it will taste better from a can. Well, it's a bit sweet. Alright, it's a bit sweet, and there's some aloe vera inside, so there's some chewy. Alright, to go with this, it's a bit cheesy. So overall, for the first chips, it's good, and below it's my rating. Check it out. Now we move on to our second snack. By Crown, it's an original churros. It's a dessert from Spanish. Wow, but it's a Korean product. It's a churros from Spain, but a Korean product. Interesting. So let's see. Here you go. I can't read the name on it. Okay, so at least you can see it. Alright, and this snack, it's all bought from a shop, and it's all below 10 ringgit. Okay, let's see. How should I open this? Here you go. Crunchy. It's a bit hard. Okay, it's crunchy, but it's not. It's a bit hard for me. Okay, it's sweet. It tastes with some cinnamon taste. Cinnamon. I would say it goes well when you are in a movie. Okay, The sweetness, I would say it's around 6 out of 10. But there is an aftertaste if you put it in. It tastes, the aftertaste is actually quite good. There's a bit of coffee kind of flavor, but I don't think there's any coffee inside. So yeah, I find it quite good match with when you are watching a movie. Okay, and let's move on to my third snack, which would be a good snack for me to try. This one, I find this quite interesting. It's called the popping candy choco stick. I guess most of us had the poppy candies, the one that you put into your mouth and it starts dancing in your mouth. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, there is 3 sticks inside. Let's open one up. Okay. Here we go. This is how it looks like. Wow. Ching ching ching. Let's see how hard it pops in my mouth. Chocolate. Oh, wow, there is popping candy inside. Let's check it out. See, there is popping candy after the chocolate, and let's hear it again. Sorry, the mic is here. Let's see if we can hear it. It's interesting. So it's a chocolate stick. The chocolate, it's good, and there is the popping candy at the end of it. So yeah, I like this. It's good. But for kids, I think they will like it. Can I finish this before I move on to the next one? I would say this is quite fun. It's interesting. Okay. So it's a chocolate stick with popping candies. Okay, so now it's cookies time. Well, this is a chocolate cookie chips with something white inside. Sorry, I can't read. I love snacks, but I can't read what is really inside. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Let's open it up and check it out. So it's my snacks time. Oops. Yeah. Oh, okay. It looks this way. I opened it wrongly just now. Sorry. Okay. So, wow. It's a very nice packaging. It's one piece of the cookies inside the packet. Let's open it up now. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. So this is how it looks like. And let's see what is inside. Well, it's soft. It's not a hard cookie. It's soft. The texture, it's like something very munchy with chocolate chips it's not sweet. It's not sweet. That's the good thing. It's not sweet. And look, in the middle, there is this white layer, transparent layer. It tastes a bit like marshmallow, but honestly, I'm not sure is it marshmallow inside. If you would ask me, I think this one, kids edible, but not someone who is younger than 2 years old, because inside it's a bit slimy, sticky. But the taste, but I like the texture, the middle texture. It's, if you had tried before mochi, it tastes a bit like mochi. So it tastes a bit like mochi in between, and wrapped with cookies. It's not hard, with some chocolate chips. So yeah, this is quite good. And for us, when we travel around, I think it's quite satisfying. Alright. I would say this is one of the better ones before the first three, for us to travel and have it as a snack that can fill up your tummy. Okay. Let's go to this one. This snack, I have always heard that it's all-time favorite, and where tourists like to buy it. It's like a waffle with white cream and hazelnut. Okay, sorry, I personally don't really like hazelnut, but let's try since it's white cream with hazelnut. Here you go. Okay, it's wafer. Well, it looks like a flat cigar. Okay, here's how you open it. Ooh. Let's take out my first stick. It states here open. Okay, careful. Oh, it's a twin stick. Let's open it up. And let's see. So this is how it looks like. Ooh. Yeah. Let's try. Okay, I can taste the hazelnut. It's, the taste of hazelnut is stronger than the white cream. Apparently, I think the white cream stands for vanilla, but it's stated here white cream. So the hazelnut taste is stronger. It overcomes the cream. Okay, so I guess, as mentioned earlier, hazelnut is not my preference. So it's overall, it's good. Just the hazelnut taste, it's stronger. So people who love hazelnut, please look at this. Oh. Oh. Okay. So what's next? The next would be seaweed. Seaweed. Ooh. I think everyone loves it. Because why? This seaweed, it's also a Korean seaweed, and I always had this. But this one, the salt, it's a bit stronger, so the saltiness is there. Yeah, let's open it up and check it out. so you can see. Okay. So there is about 10 slices inside, and it's a bit oily. So because I guess they fried it. And let's try it. As mentioned earlier, it's salty, but it's good. It's good because I like salty. Yeah. It's crunchy. Because some of the seaweed when we bought, right, it's either probably open up or it's not so crunchy. For seaweed, if it's not so crunchy, I personally find it not so tasty. What do you think? Because this is all personal preference, right? Okay. I would say this, I would give them a rating of. Okay, next let's move to, since I have something salty, let's try something sweet. I guess some of you might have tried this before. This is the honey butter almond nuts. Okay, this is the small packet version. There is another bigger packet one, and this one is covered with honey and butter, and trust me, this one is one of the favorites from many people that they recommended me to try this out. Okay, so let's try it out today. Okay, so if you want to see the texture, it's like this, and it's covered with, I guess it's honey, butter, almond. Wow. This is wonderful. You can munch this for all night long. This is good. This is really good. So, but I guess if you do not have very strong teeth like mine, just have it moderately, okay? Because it's quite hard. It's quite hard because it's nuts, but the taste is sweet, but it's not too sweet. If you ask me, I will rate it. The sweetness would be 3 out of 10, but overall, you will enjoy this with your movie. It's a good companion during your movie time. One for you, one for your lover. Okay. And next, when your lover have some sweetness, you need some spiciness. What's this? This is wasabi. What is wasabi? You want some spiciness while you're watching movie, yeah? It's wasabi almond nut. Okay, I personally can't eat spicy, but let's try it out, since we should try all kind of snacks. Life is short. Well, enjoy everything you can now. Okay? Let's see whether it's green or red. Okay, it looks actually the same. It looks the same. So if you want to throw some prank on your friends, you can always do this and mix it up with the honey ones and make them munch it all. And if you want some spiciness with your lover, Let's try it now. Breathe in, breathe out from your nose. Well, the wasabi spiciness, it's okay. I would say the spiciness is at the range of 2/10. So I guess most of us could actually take it. But you can feel the kick when you first bite on it. But it feels good. It feels good. But I guess I would only buy it when I want to throw some pranks, because I personally can't take wasabi or spiciness. Okay, but do try it out. Do check it out. Okay, let's move to something sweet now. Lollies. Okay, when it comes to lollies, candies, right? Some people call it lollies, some people call it candies. I love candies. And yes, trust me, I can have one whole pack within probably 5 minutes. I would actually hold on to my hands like a baby and munch and munch and munch. Let's try this one. But before I move on to this, let me have a sip. Let me clean. Well, this is still sweeter than the rest, because after I had so much snacks, I can still taste the sweetness, man. And yeah, the aloe vera. But the aloe vera tastes good. Yeah. Okay, so now it's jelly day. Jelly day. So it's gummies. There is 3 colors of gummy. They wrote here Vita C powder. We have 3 colors inside. Let's take it out and check it out. We have pink, purple, and it's heart shape. Oh, love, where are you, orange? I think I am colorblind because there isn't any orange. Okay, so basically, yeah, it's only pink and purple. But do you realize there is some yellowish? Yeah, but not sure what is that. Let's check it out. Let's try the grape. It's great. Chewiness, it's about 4 out of 10. It's not too chewy, but it's good enough to exercise your mouth. It's a good chewy. And the pink one. Oh, it's peach. The peach is good. Not too sweet. But for me, gummy can be a bit more chewy. This one, it's flat, I guess, so the texture is not so bouncy with sugar coated. So I would say this would not be one of the top preference of my gummies, but it's still good. It's good. Oh, sorry, I choked. I need some grape. Oh, now the drink doesn't taste that sweet because after the gummies. So yeah, so I would say this will be Okay, so now after my rating on the gummies, now we move to our last dessert for the day. It's called dessert waffles. Oopsie. Yeah, dessert waffles. Oh, it's cute. The box over this side is straight, and the back part. Okay, so it's by Lotte. I guess most of us knows Lotte. It's called white and black dessert waffles. White and black dessert waffles. Okay. It's written sweet dessert, so let's check it out how it's white and black dessert waffles. Okay, so inside the box there is 4 packets. So I guess each packet should have white and black. Okay, let's see. Oh no, there is 3 slices inside. Okay, so the front it's white and the back it's black. So it's looks like a cookies to me rather than waffle. So because my perception of waffle, it's always softer and with ice cream. So it tastes a bit like dark chocolate coated with some milk on the top. It's okay. But the taste, after the second bite, you would have like what we call a bit of, I'm not too sure how should I describe the aftertaste, but there is a very heavy aftertaste, like a cigar. The aftertaste is totally different from the first bite. So when your first bite, you will feel that it is crunchy, very crunchy, and then with some milk taste, not a very sweet milk taste, and the aftertaste, it tastes a bit like barbecue. Yeah, it tastes like a bit of barbecue taste. So yeah, so this one I think it's good, and I would say I would give them a rating of, so hang on, and the last thing I would do for tonight, it's called the Rojak snacks. What is the Rojak snacks? Let's stay on and see you later. Okay, so now this is the last part where I have mentioned earlier Rojak. So in Malaysia, Rojak stands for, basically it's a snack where you put some thick sauce gravy with nuts, and there is cucumbers, there is squid, tofu, and some other vegetables where you mix around and you have it like a snack. So today we will mix some Korean snacks with some full cream milk. This is my all-time favorite every morning. Alright, so it's a full cream milk by Dutch Lady. Okay, so what we will do now is we're gonna pick one of each snacks, mix it in with some milk, and we will try it out whether it tastes good or bad. Come on. So we will start with, okay, one, my poppies. Let's see the poppies. Okay, let's break it. Okay, some Cheerios, some cookies, and nuts, wasabi nuts, this is the white cream waffle, gummies, oops, crackers, and of course my all-time favorite, seaweed. But I think we will put the seaweed last or now. Okay, let's try. Crunch it. Oh, and I just realized if you open it up, the crunchiness will lose. Okay, come, let's try with some milk. Okay, time to check it out. Junkie Man's Scoop. Oh shit, wasabi. Soft chips. Cheers. And my poppers. It actually tastes okay. It's like a mixture of sweet, salty, sourish, gummies with milk. So it's not recommended for you to try on children, but as an adult, it tastes interesting. So why not? Why not? Let's try on with something else now. Okay, now I would try it on with one of my favorite Korean orange juice. Okay, where you can normally buy the price in Malaysia, it's probably around 3 ringgit to 3 ringgit 50 cents. Okay, it's really nice. Ooh, take a sip. If anyone of you have tried Orangina, it tastes similar to Orangina. So this is a product from Korea. It's called Demi Soda. It tastes really quite good. So this is something I have it probably 3 to 5 times a week. So let's try with our rojak snacks again. But if I have diarrhea tomorrow, I will keep you all updated the next episode, okay? Cheerios. Cookies. Wasabi. Nuts. Almond nuts. Wafer. gummy, waffle crackers, and my civet. Now with our demi soda. Okay. Come. All right. Let's check it out. Gassy snacks. It tastes fun. It's like having a carbonated drink while you are having your snacks. A sweet and salty seaweed. A gassy Cheerios. And a soggy cookie. I would say it's a unique taste where you have like carbonated snacks, but I would personally prefer the one with milk. So if you like and find it informative on snacks, please do subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so that, and you can also give me some comments what would you want me to share the next episode for me to have you all enjoying along with me. So that's all for tonight. Thank you for watching me, Jason, or Junkie Man. That's all for tonight. Peace out. Bye.